We've got the patent, and we've got the patent. We've got the patent, but answers you won't find. There's too many questions. There's too many questions. Too many questions. That's what I hear, and I can't give you reason. Get out of them last year.
From Oceanside, almost live, it's the Gong Show!
And now, here comes the host and star of our show, that dangerously desirable, Mr. Chuck Barris.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, for my lovies, come back. I feel so good, I'm gonna knock wood on Jiminy G. My love's come back to me. Such a lonely old shack, till Santa Claus knocked on the door and brought me back my little old lovey to me. And I don't know where she's gone or what she's done, or if the girl had any fun. I only hope I'm round and missing all the loving and the hugging and the kissing I'm missing. Loveys come back. 14 kids and a Cadillac, but I don't care, my love's come back to me. Why did this night owl feather her nest? She went off to the east, came back from the west, but now we're right on the track. Love as sweet as apple jack. Oh, Jiminy G, my love's come back. Jiminy G, my love's come back. Can't you see my love's come back to me? Yeah. Thanks, Dave.
Suffragette City!
Welcome to the old Gong Show. Tonight is It's Not the Aerosmith Concert Day. With that in mind, let's bring out our first act. Now this guy, I love this guy.
Yeah, you love him a lot.
Terrible host. Rotten. I'm getting a stretch. When I get a stretch, it is so bad. I do not know what to say. I mean, I'm bad with material. Our first act has a real gift of song. This guy has a gift of song. Unfortunately, he took it back to the store with his receipt and exchanged it for a pair of socks. Just a joke, people. No need to get hostile. Let us bring him out. The incredibly bland Seth Maltz. Judges think of Seth Maltz right after this. Yeah. We're back. All right. Let's see. First, our first panelist. He's a musician, a writer, an actor, and suffers equally in all three. Here he is, the delightful but short Arte Johnson. What'd you think of him, Arte?
The man gives a whole new meaning to the term shake and bake. I gave him an 8.
All right, that's Next is a really lovely lady who just turned down the lead in the sequel to... Oh man, hold the cards a little higher, man. Rotten. Oh, that's it, okay. She's gonna be the lead in the sequel to Debbie Does Dallas, Hannah Humps Nirvana. Let's hear it for the lovely, delicious, and non-toxic J.P. Margot. What'd you think of Seth, J.P.?
Show us some.
All I can say to Seth is, fuck you. I give you a 7.
7. All right, not too bad. Steadily going down, but still got another chance. All right, the next guy is a performer. I've seen his act before, but unfortunately I dropped a letter next to him. Postage stamp fell on him. Never saw him again. The equally short Paul Williams. Paul, what did you think of our guest, Seth Maltz?
Well, you know, as you know, writing the Rainbow Connection, I had to give him the Kermit the Frog Award for the ugliest green shirt. But I like this style. I gave him a 7.
A 7. Makes a grand total of 22 points. Hey, not too bad, Seth. Thanks a lot. Hey, this next... thanks, guys. You really shouldn't. Like, really.
Okay, we're on.
Okay, this next act was so anxious to get on the show today. He kept saying, watch pot never boils. Watch pot never boils. Well, this just goes to show what happens when you hang around your house, smoke... No, not smoking pot, watching pot. Rats. So bad. Oh, I turned into a drug joke. Oh, it didn't have to be. Be that as it may, let's bring him out right now. Let's have a stupendously... Let's just bring him out. Larry and his amazing trumpet.
Hey, I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet now. I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet now. I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna
I'm
do?
gonna play my trumpet.
What you gonna
I'm
do?
gonna play my trumpet now.
Hey!
Hey, what's going on? Larry, what's the problem?
Doesn't work.
Doesn't work. We'll be back with more stuff right after these messages.